Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Hope everybody's very well. Today we are doing the June edition of my monthly Lookiero. So for those of you that don't know, this is a monthly clothing subscription. You get 5 pieces of clothing. You would pay £10 per month for a styling fee. If you choose to keep all 5 items, you get 25% discount. However, if you don't like anything, you can send it back in an envelope provided free of charge, but you would lose your £10. If you keep 1 or 2 pieces of item, whatever, your £10 would come off of that. So whether I like the old box or not, I don't like to give £10 away, so I do tend to maybe find 1 piece at least, so that I put money towards something, so I'm not losing out on my £10. So you would fill out a short profile, styling profile, to say what you like, what you don't like. I have to say they don't always get it right. There have been a few hit and misses. This time I did request my stylist puts in some spring summer wear, because I have loads of winter stuff now. I really don't need any more. So that's enough of me talking. Should we get this box opened? We will have a look to see what I've got, and then I will go away, do the try on, and then we will talk about pricing at the end. So in the box you would get your paperwork, you get your bundles in there. So first bundle we have something white. Okay, so we have, well, this is quite cute, isn't it? This is a pink elasticated waist. It's a, I would say, midi length. Not quite maxi, not quite mini, so kind of in between. I'm not sure about this, guys, I'll be honest. I find pleated skirts, because I do have a bit of a large bottom, they don't always sit right at the back. I've tried pleated dresses and skirts on before, and I found the fit doesn't always accommodate my body, but we will try it on nonetheless and have a look. It is pretty, I do like it, and it is spring, which is what I asked for. I do like the odd sort of flash of pink. I'm not a pinky person, but I don't mind a little bit of it here and there. So we will try that on, and with that came, oh no, I do like this. This is a very pretty little top. I'm assuming she wanted the skirt and this little top paired together. That is so sweet. I do like this. I like the ruffles at the front. It's got little buttons. Yeah, that's cute. I like that a lot. Okay. So I would say that's quite a nice first, excuse me, first little outfit. And then we have a rather heavy one. Whoa. Second bundle, we've got some red. We've got stripy top, maybe some jeans there. Let's have a look at what we've got in here. Get rid of the right, okay, so the first one we have is a very red jacket. I do like red. I do feel like red does actually suit my colouring. No, okay, that's okay. Now, I'm not quite sure what the material is. I mean, it's not a heavy, like, this is definitely maybe a spring, summer sort of jacket to wear. It's kind of like, I say faux suede, but it's, I don't know. Yeah, it's definitely faux suede. It's nice, I like it. Cool. Look forward to trying that on. And then I'm guessing we have a little top. So it's got some detailing. Pretty. Pretty. Yeah, I like that. I like stripes. Like the sleeves. Yep, like that. It's cool. See myself wearing that. And oh dear, I will not be wearing these. I will try them on if I get them on, but I think I'm a little bit sort of like old for dungarees. I mean, There's nothing wrong with people at any age wearing dungarees. Just me personally, is not something that I would actually reach for. And these are quite a heavy, thick denim that I wouldn't particularly want to wear spring, summertime. If these were a pair of jeans, I would actually really love them. I love the distressing along here. Yeah, I like the colour of the jeans. So if these were just a regular pair of jeans, I would have found myself really liking these. The fact that they are a dungaree, it does not appeal to me whatsoever. So I will try them on if I can get them on and show you guys what they look like. But they are not my cup of tea. Okay, so you've seen my items. Also in the box, you do get a return envelope. So anything you don't keep, pop in this envelope and take it to your drop off. That is free of charge to send back. Okay, so give me 5 minutes. I'm going to try this lot on and we'll come back with what it looks like and pricing. So see you soon. Bye. Hi guys, so we are back with the first outfit. As you can see, I've got the pretty little white top on. Now I thought the frills come at the front, but I haven't looked at the label. They actually go at the back. I do have the blue underwear on, so please excuse if you can see through this top. I wasn't changing all my underwear to accommodate the clothing. The skirt's a nice length. I do like it. I like the colour. I'm not sure it's me. I feel like this top is also quite huge. Maybe you could have got away with doing the next size down. Plus the back seems a bit loose and bulky here. I love the button detail on the back and I love the frills at the back as well. I'm not sure how the skirt is hanging from the back, but I do know from experience when I have worn pleated skirts or tried them on, they don't always sit, so I'll have to look back and see what the skirt actually looks like. If it looks okay, I think this could be a keeper depending on the price. But I feel like the top is a little bit too big. It's unfortunate as well because I definitely would have kept this. Okay, so that's the first outfit of the shirt and the skirt. So I'll be back with the second one in 5 minutes. See you soon. Hi guys, so we are back with the final outfit. So as you can see, I've got the jacket on. This is a little bit too long on the arms. I don't know what it is with Lookiero, but the sizing is just so weird. I don't know, I don't get it. Anyway, I do feel this is like too big there, but then here, I mean, I can do it up, but it's going to be quite tight. There's not a lot of room there. Maybe it's meant to be like that, I don't know. I mean, it's okay, depending on the price. I think I would actually wear this. Then moving on to these lovely dungarees, which, what can I say?
No.
I'm not sure what I can say about these in a positive. If you're 20, these would be ideal for you. Someone of my age, this is not appropriate for me to be wearing. It's such a shame because if I cut this off and I had the jean, I absolutely love like the jean part of these. I love the colour, I love the distressing. They're just perfect. The length, because I'm quite short and I haven't had to roll anything up this time. It's just this dungaree bit, and to be honest, I'm actually sweating because I've had a jacket on that she wanted me to pair the item with these. I've got these heavy denims on and I've got this pretty t-shirt. Let me just undo these and you can see the t-shirt detailing, which I do like. I mean, it's nice. I do like this, and this is something that I would wear. What do you guys think? It's quite pretty. It is age appropriate and it is summer wear. I'm thinking like out of the whole box right now is just this t-shirt, unfortunately, this time. Don't feel she's got it right. I'm struggling massively with Lookiero and I just don't know how to say any clearer in my profile or my requests, how to say things any clearer than what I already do. I just don't know what to do about it. Anyway, that's the try on. I'm going to take this lot off because I'm bloody sweating and we'll go through pricing. See you in a minute. Bye. Hi guys, so we are back with the final part of my video. So we always look at pricing at this stage. So we have a letter here from my stylist Grace, who has been my size for about maybe 3 picks so far, I'm not sure. She basically just says in there that she's selected 2 flattering and stylish outfits based on my comments, so I'm not quite sure where she gets the fact that I wanted dungarees from, but never mind. So basically she was just telling me what to put with what, but common sense told me that I didn't need to look at it this time. Normally I do look at these and go by what they said, but because they were wrapped in separate bundles, I knew what one was what. Alright, and then we have some little styling cards, which I really love because 9 times out of 10 you've got bits and bobs like this in your wardrobe already. Pretty cool. Then we have, if you decide to sign up for Lookiero, if you use my discount code, which I will link somewhere either in the comments or the description, you get 10% off your order and I get £10 credit off my next order. So if you feel like you want to give Lookiero a try, my discount code will be available. So this is the all important invoice. Let's have a look at pricing. Okay, so the t-shirt, which is the blue stripe one with the red embossed flowers, and they are embossed. I did quite like this. I found it was a little bit too big, but it's okay. I can live with that. It's not a problem. So that would be £25.99 for that t-shirt. Then we have the little pink skirt, which was this. It's okay. Now, I don't love it. I like it. I don't love it. To me, this is not something I could wear every day. It's like the silky sort of material. This kind of material makes me sweat like you would not believe. I just don't feel like I get any air vent from this whatsoever. The fit was okay, actually. I think she got the fit spot on. She got the style pretty much spot on. It's just, I'm just not feeling the material. And for me, this is not an everyday. And also there's a bit of a mark here. I don't know if you guys can see that. And I didn't do it. So that's a no for me this time. And the price for that little skirt was £33.75. We then had this little top here, which I really liked. I did think this was the front of the top, but apparently it's not. It's got the label there. And I did try and put it on this way around, but it's very, very low. So I guess it's supposed to be worn this way. But then when you do wear it this way, you can see the seam here, which is not a flattering place to have the seam here. I don't know. I mean, maybe it is meant to be worn that way and you have to wear a little something else underneath it. Or you can wear it both ways. I don't know. This is not a keeper. I felt this was too big. It's too oversized. Had it been, I don't know, maybe one size smaller, possibly would have been a keeper for me. That little top was £32.80. We then had the dungarees. I found that these, they fit okay actually. The jean side of it I really loved, as I've already probably said about 2 or 3 times now. The length on the denim was perfect. I didn't have to turn anything up. There was a little bit of stretch in them. The jean side of it, perfect. Without the bib and brace. I do feel that that's too, I don't know. This is something I would look to wearing maybe in my 20s, 30s, even maybe 40s. But when you hit 50, I think prancing around dungarees is not appropriate for my age. And then finally we have the red jackets, which this one, which again I did like. I have so many jackets now. I don't know when I get the chance to wear this, guys. Now that the summertime is coming in, I just feel like I'll be buying it and it'll be sitting in my wardrobe for 6 months until autumn come round. So for that reason, I won't be purchasing this. And that little jacket was £42.40, which I don't think is bad, because it is nice, it's nice quality, it's quite thin as well. I don't know. Anyway, so the whole box came to £193.94. You take off your £10 styling fee, you get 25% discount if you kept all 5 items, which would have been £45.99, which takes the whole box down to £137.95. I don't know whether you guys think that's a little bit expensive. I think it's okay. You know, you've got heavy jeans in there, you've got a jacket in there, a couple of tops, a skirt, so you can mix and match them items. So the only thing I think I would be inclined to keep out of there, and that's purely because I don't want to lose my £10, would be the striped t-shirt with the red little flowers on there. That'll look nice with a little pair of jeans or something. I don't know. I'm sure I'll find a use for it somewhere. Guys, I'm so hot today. It doesn't look very hot outside, but it's very, very warm. Anyway, that's the end of my Lookiero. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, give me a thumbs up. Please comment, feel free. You know I love to get your comments. I always answer as soon as I can to each and every one of you, because I appreciate all the support that you do give to me and my channel. It's slowly growing, which is fantastic, and that's down to you guys. Don't forget to switch your notification on so that you do get to know whenever I upload my videos. I have a Stitch Fix in there waiting to be looked at, tried on, etc, etc. I'm going to try and get that done today as well, and I'll get that uploaded, and then you can look side by side Lookiero versus Stitch Fix and see what you think. I'm going to put my money on Stitch Fix. I don't know, they got it so right last time. Let's hope this time's just as good. Anyway, I'm going to go because I'm just talking for the sake of talking now. Have a really good rest of the day and take care of yourselves, and I'll speak to you in the next video. Take care. Bye. Bye.